Hi there, and welcome to today's lesson. In this lesson, we're going to walk through some of the most common phrasal verbs with carry, seeing how each one works in real-life situations. Let's begin the journey. Carry on. To continue doing something, think of someone walking along a path and just keeping on walking, no matter what. Examples: during a team meeting, even with all the noise outside, she carried on with her presentation. Yeah, she didn't let anything distract her. Talking about life after a setback. After the breakup, he just carried on like nothing happened. I guess that's his way of coping. Carry out, to do something that was planned, ordered, or agreed upon. This is often used in formal situations, tasks, research, instructions. Examples: in the office. We're carrying out a customer survey next week. Great! Let me know if you need help. Talking about an order. The technician carried out the repairs quickly. Good. We needed it done before the deadline. Carry over, to move something from one time or place to another. Think of lifting something from today and putting it into tomorrow. Examples: in business, we didn't spend all the budget, so the extra will carry over to next month. Nice! That gives us more flexibility. In scheduling, let's carry over this topic to our next meeting. Sure, we'll have more time then. Carry forward, to move something ahead, especially an amount or result from one period to the next. This is similar to carry over, but often used in finance or planning contexts. Examples: in accounting, we'll carry forward the loss to the next year's report. That should help reduce taxes. In goals and planning, we didn't finish the project, but we'll carry forward the progress we've made. Absolutely. Every step counts. Carry off, to succeed in doing something difficult or unexpected. It often implies confidence or style. Examples: at a fashion event, not everyone can carry off that bold look, but she definitely nailed it. After a risky speech, he really carried it off. The audience loved it. I was nervous for him, but he did great. Carry around, to keep something with you or inside you, often emotionally. Think of someone carrying a heavy bag, not always physically. Examples: talking about emotions. He's been carrying around guilt for years. I hope he can let it go someday. With physical items. She carries around a notebook wherever she goes. Ideas strike any time, I guess. Carry through, to take something from the start to the finish and complete it successfully, especially in a difficult situation. It has a sense of persistence, getting to the end. Examples: during a tough time, her determination carried her through the exam. She studied nonstop for weeks. In a crisis, it was their teamwork that carried the project through. Exactly, no one gave up. Well done. You've just worked your way through a full set of phrasal verbs with carry. That's real progress. Give yourself credit. You've expanded your vocabulary and your confidence in using natural English. Tip: to make these phrases stick, try using just one or two of them in your conversations this week. Maybe say, let's carry on, or she really carried it off well. The more you use them, the more natural they'll feel. Keep going. You're truly carrying your English forward, one step at a time. Thanks for joining today, and see you in the next lesson.